Happy gardening, happy gardening, happy gardening. Please keep planting. Follow Susie Farms, like, comment, and interact with the video. Today is another day in Cincinnati, Ohio, in the USA. I came all the way from Belgium, Susie Farm, coming to visit Mira Farms.
Yay!
And you can see this is the manager of Mira Farms. You can see the amount of vegetable we have harvested today. You see, so yummy, so juicy, so yummy, delicious, green, fresh, organic. This is the way to go. I hope this video encourages someone to start planting today. Please, what are you waiting for? See what Mira has at Mira Farms. You see the amount of vegetable. It is very fresh. This is what we call jabs. We will use this one to prepare some kati. We have the chicken here, we have the vegetable, we have the tomatoes, we have everything to prepare a meal. And we also have corn, you know. We just harvested this area and now we are going to this area to continue harvesting. Mira, how's the harvesting going to that Mira farm?
It's going great, you know. We have some fresh vegetables here that we have to harvest.
Oh yes?
Every day is harvest time, you know.
Every day is harvesting time.
You come around, you must see something that you can put in
You
your
must
pot.
see something. If you don't see huckleberry, you might see amaranth green, you might see what we call behind the sweet bitter leaf. You know, there is a lot. There are bell peppers, there are hot chili pepper, the African hot chili pepper is here. You know, we have so many crops here. We have tomatoes, we have maize, we have potatoes, we have carrots. Mira Farm is doing well. Please, I want to beg and plead with you people, each and every one of us, to learn how to grow food in our own backyard. Only this backyard alone, like this, there's a lot of food, from chicken to eggs to all type of vegetables is here. You can see Mira actually is doing well at Mira Farms and she's harvesting every day. You know, there is food for everybody. We shouldn't just sit and be talking about food shortages when we have our backyard. We have the soil. Let's tend this soil, you know, and make sure that we can grow food. You see, here in this Mira Farm, actually there is zero waste. There is zero waste. All the forages, all the ends of vegetables that is inedible, we use it to feed the chicken. You can see the chicken that way, how they are actually foraging on the leftover vegetables. This is what we are eating, and they will forage on those ones, you see. And the waste from the chicken, we use it as manure for the farm. It is that easy. Everybody can do it. This is what we are harvesting, you know, and we'll use this one to prepare one of our Cameroon delicacy they call kati. So this is actually us at Mira Farm. I will take the phone now and try to go around and show you all of the garden. You see how the garden looks like, and you really love the garden. So let's go. Vegetable, oh yeah, happy gardening, happy gardening, happy gardening. Please keep planting, keep planting, keep planting. Follow our page, follow Mira Farms, follow Susie Farms, like, comment, and interact with the video. Because if you interact with the video, let me tell you something. Anytime we post a video, Facebook will be able to send you the video to watch on your timeline. You will see our videos popping up to watch, and we always produce videos and share with you. Please, without our fans, without you people, we won't be doing this, and we are doing this. Keep sharing, share to your friends, share to your families, share to as many people as possible, share to so many groups, communities, so that we can inspire somebody to plant. Yes. Oh yeah, veggies, oh yeah, oh yeah, veggies, oh yeah, oh yeah. So I'll go around now at Mira Farms. You can see the table beds are here. They're eating, enjoying. This is actually the layers. One will pick the vegetable, the soft ends that we have to eat. We allow them to forage on this end, and they actually try to scatter the ground, you know, just for a short while. Then we'll send them in. You can see. This is the amount of vegetable we've harvested already. See, a whole full basket of vegetable. It is green, it is yummy, it is nutritious. You can see the tomatoes are here. The amaranth is here. You can see the beets. So where you have fresh tomatoes that are ripe like this already. You see how the tomatoes are. Even though we didn't pick it, but they are very nice. You see, we have fresh vegetables and everything is going so well. We have the maize and we have it all. This is Mira Farm. This is how Mira Farms look like. You can see all the vegetables are here. We have all sorts of vegetables. From bell pepper, we have tomatoes, we have the hot chili pepper, the real hot chili pepper you can ever think of is here. You see, this one is the hot chili pepper, the African hot chili pepper. Carolina Reaper is this one. You are yet to have some fruit. So this is how green the garden is. We have chicken cup, we have vegetables, we have maize, we have a place for the children to play, and everything is just serene. This backyard is wonderful. Please, we encourage everybody to start planting some fruit in the backyard. Green your backyard. Put some maybe chicken, you know, so that all your scrap can be recycled to food. Then all the waste from the chicken can be used for manure. It is easy to do. Mira Farms is operational and is doing it big time, so everybody can do it. Hey Mira,
Yeah.
we keep harvesting.
Yeah.
We keep harvesting.
It's going around.
This your garden is like, you know, food never gets finished.
Oh yeah.
Almost every day you harvest from
day
one
you come
type of
around, you see
vegetable
something
to another. Wow.
Right now, I've started preserving my seeds.
Yes.
Now, so the ones that are black like this, I just leave them alone.
Yeah. So that it will give us seed for next planting season.
Yep.
That's why I really love, you know, the way we African in the diaspora, we do it, because all our vegetables, all our crops can produce seed for the next planting season.
Yep.
So we don't need to depend on buying seed all the time. So when you plant once, you can get the seed and use it to replant and replant and replant as many times as possible. The tomatoes are really, really big. So where you get the tomato seeds?
Well, this from stores. They are store-bought tomatoes, though. I just
see.
tried them for the first time, and they did marvelously well.
Well,
So
oh,
I really do appreciate the tomatoes. They are so tasty. They are so nice. You know, they really don't taste sour like the store-bought
like the
tomatoes.
store-bought tomato.
They taste different.
Because you grow them, they ripe from the
Yep.
plant themselves. That's the difference. So when you plant tomatoes, please, that's when you are going to get the yummy, delicious ones. The ones that are growing directly from the farm, you know, they will ripe and ripe until they really get ripe.
Them, you know,
Nothing
ripeness, you know.
natural, you know, and they are so nice. They are really so nice. You see here we have some amaranth. We also have some huckleberry. We have some what we call water leaves. You see, these are water leaves. There are some water leaf here, but they are doing well. No, this garden is really doing well. Please, what are you still waiting for? What are you still waiting for? Start your garden today. Start your garden today. Start your garden today. You know, here are some beets that are planted. Here are some leeks, you know, some celery, and even up to this. Oh, these tomatoes are, you know. We just keep planting. Plant anything. Plant. Can you see? Store-bought tomatoes that were just bought and the seeds were planted, and we ate the tomatoes. So you see how we reproduce food. You see how we keep reproducing food. So now we have everything to prepare food this evening from our backyard, and tomorrow we'll still have a lot of food from this same backyard. We keep harvesting, but the vegetable doesn't get finished.
I have to harvest this area too, but you know what? I'm just feeling tired. You know the worst part of gardening? I don't know about you. My worst part of gardening are the weeds. I hate weeding grass. It's just tiring, frustrating, you know?
Yeah.
I just take the weed.
You know, here the weather is different. It's just like a tropical climate. So the weeds come out very fast. But in
Yeah.
my garden, weed does not come out so fast.
Ah, man.
So what I do is that as the weeds are coming out, I'm picking them as they go. Just like what you are doing. Because if the weeds, they grow, they get matured and produce seed, then the seed will fall on the ground and the next year again you will have more wheat. So I just keep on picking my wheat as we go, just like what you are doing. Ah, Mira. It was wonderful visiting Mira Farms all the way from Belgium. I really love what I see here. I think when I go next time, I will add some maize because I have not yet planted maize. Mira Farm have maize and I have to plant maize also. And see, the result that will come out of it, I will still share it online.
Oh my God, look at one yummy food for my. This picture of this thing.
Yes, they can eat it. Oh, but I hope it does not know. I think they will eat it. They will eat it. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Can you see that?
What is this? Is it
Can you
caterpillar?
see that? It's caterpillar now. It's caterpillar.
How much they chop, huh?
I think he has to metamorphose to maybe a butterfly or something like that. Mira, it seems as if you are never going to stop gardening because
I always see something to harvest now.
you are always still picking something.
It's always going to harvest.
Happy gardening, happy gardening.